Now back to a few more masculine nouns. Telephone is telefon. Telefon. The telephone doesn't work would be Telefoni nuk punon. Telefoni nuk punon. You should already know that oi ending verbs become on ending verbs whenever they refer to a third person, such as telephone. Restaurant is restorant. Restorant. The restaurant is far would be Restoranti është larg. Restoranti është larg. The hotel is far would be Hoteli është larg. Hoteli është larg. Now let's build a more challenging sentence. Tirana is a big city. A city would be simply qytet. There are very special cases when a is translated as një or one, but this is not the case. How would you say Tirana is a big city? Tirana është qytet I madh. Tirana është qytet I madh. Again, big is I madh for masculine nouns and e madhe for feminine nouns whenever they are singular. The phone is cheap. Now, cheap is the same as free. And this is very interesting, by the way, because it could give rise to some confusion here, but it shouldn't pose a problem actually, because the context will tell which meaning of the word is actually being transmitted. So free is I lirë for masculine nouns or e lirë for feminine nouns. How would you say the phone is cheap? Telefoni është I lirë. Telefoni është I lirë. The phone is not cheap. It is expensive. First, the telephone is not cheap would be Telefoni nuk është I lirë. Telefoni nuk është I lirë. It is expensive. Now, expensive refers to the masculine noun, to the telephone. And expensive is I shtrenjtë. I shtrenjtë. This N sound is NJ. Një. Shtrenjtë. I shtrenjtë. And it is used for masculine nouns. It is expensive would be është I shtrenjtë. Është I shtrenjtë. Again, I shtrenjtë refers to telephone because it is the noun here, because its gender is masculine. The restaurant is expensive would be Restoranti është I shtrenjtë. Restoranti është I shtrenjtë. The hotel is expensive would be Hoteli është I shtrenjtë. Hoteli është I shtrenjtë. Now back to the feminine nouns. Ticket is biletë. Biletë. And how do you say the ticket is cheap? Bileta është e lirë. Bileta është e lirë. Again, if we open the dictionary and look up the word ticket, we will find bilete ending in a. We replace a with a and we get bileta. And that means the ticket, as in the doer of the action, or the subject of the sentence, if we are to use a more technical term. Shirt is këmishë. Këmishë. The shirt is small. Now, small is e vogël. E vogël. The shirt is small would be këmisha është e vogël. Këmisha është e vogël. Bag is çantë. Çantë. The bag is heavy. Heavy is I rëndë when it refers to masculine nouns or e rëndë when it refers to feminine nouns. Çantë is feminine because it ends in e, although not all nouns ending in e are feminine. But this one is feminine. How would you say the bag is heavy? Çanta është e rëndë. Çanta është e rëndë.